but we don't have extra for now. So maybe next time.
Coffee and rice.
Yeah, coffee and rice. We need coffee and rice. But for now, we don't have extra, so better luck next time.
Ngara! Ngara!
Nara may dire Ace. Who will carry the boys or can they walk far? No, we need to carry my 2 kids. My eldest and my carry with my father, and the youngest son is to me. They cannot allow to walk a very long and very struggling way. The way is very hard. Hard struggle.
May klase?
Tay. Ay, di mo sila na sila.
No, we don't know what you're talking of, boys.
What's up, Uproad boys? Luis Carlos, hola Linda. Who's that Linda?
I don't understand.
Linda is a name. Who's that? Off-road boys, what's up? What's up? Hands up. Hi, 23. Good morning. 23 million in the house. I think it means hello, Linda. Really? I don't know.
Linda means party.
Linda means pretty.
I think.
Oh, really? But thank you so much. Thank you for all of your complimentary to us, guys. We appreciate it very much. Cherries. Huy, Lawrence, makuan ka diya?
You go somewhere, don't disturb us.
Don't disturb me. Na-upload na ang na private pa to ang i-upload. Ay, private pa to. Kailangan pa to i-public sa YouTube studio. Shan! Ayaw, Shan!
Pagoy, masamad.
Shan!
What are you all doing? We're doing live.
We're doing good.
We're doing good.
Shan! Ayaw lagi!
Storya.
Manong lagi nag-like? Oh, bisag naka-private tayo, public ni. Ano ara ba? Pagkahuman anak diri sa pagkahuman dito sa YouTube, ngari ka sa YouTube studio, ngari ka sa content. Din pinili ko na nemo. Din ka ng lapis. Din ngari. Imo na butang ang description. He is my little boy. Then i-private na nimo. Private na i-public. Then kahuman altered content no. Then adi sa tag. Butang na nimo. #myboy. Child. Like mountain life. Philippines. Ayo pa nga na Ato tanahan ni Jack Andang. Ako na ito subscriber. She have already a video, guys, on her channel.
Agwit.
Good, matabas ang ulo. Gusto.
Nabagay po ang kanta ha.
Asa mo na siya paingon? Papaya lips.